Thank you very much, Barrister Marshall, Barrister Femi Falana, who initiated this from the beginning of my trial till this point. We have always stated that this whole trial was politically motivated to curtail our fundamental rights to participate in the political affairs of our country. So over 5 or 6 reliefs were sought. One that is most important is now resolved in our favor, which is that my restriction to the city of Abuja, which is unheard of in the history of probably the last 2 times it was done, was against Pa Michael Imodu, who was a labor leader, and this was imposed by the colonial regime, the colonial masters. They restricted him to, I think, Ochi. In 1963, Chief Obafemi Awolowo too, for political reasons, was restricted to Lekki area of Lagos. I am the 3rd person in the history of Nigeria to be restricted to one city. So that has been lifted. The judge who read the judgment made it clear that that was excessive and it violated my rights to freedom of movement. There are other reliefs that were sought that they claimed were resolved against us. The lawyers are in a better position to tackle this, and he has spoken to the fact that he will consult with our more senior comrade and colleague and father in law, in the law of to ensure that those issues are also resolved fundamentally in our favor. This is a sign to, this is a service to those in government who think that they can freely violate the rights of citizens because they have access to instruments of justice that is compromised. As I've said, you can also tell that this targets our right to participate in the political affairs of the country, in the elections. Yes. Because now they've also denied me the right to go and visit my family in the US, claiming that if I'm granted that opportunity, I may not come back.
And your right to the press.
And the right to, no, the press was not
granted.
No, the right to speak to the press was not involved in part of our relief, so I will keep talking to the press. Of course. You see, fundamental human rights are fundamental human rights. Yes. And the exercise of it is also very fundamental to our existence. Yes. Somebody cannot say, for instance, that you have no right to breathe because it depends on your existence. Exactly. So the lawyers will take care of the other issues. The most important issue is that very soon you can see me in any part of Nigeria. So, I may not be able to travel to any part of the world now. But technology has resolved that. Yes! If I'm unable to get to you physically, I may be able to get to you virtually. Spiritually. So, while they are here living in the past, still flying around with rooms at night. Skype has been invented. Zoom has been invented. Twitter Spaces have been invented. Facebook Live has been invented. Instant Live has been invented. And also, telepathy continue to develop. Where we can talk to ourselves, by reading each other's minds and lips. So, we keep moving, and the revolution can never be stopped.
Yes.
And that's
5 figures on rule. 5 figures is ruling.
Nothing can stop an idea. Nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. We have it on record and in history that Kwame Nkrumah was persecuted in Ghana. He won the election to be Ghana's president almost the day after he came out of detention and jail. So it will not be different here. Yes. After all these efforts, what we call Kurukere movement, we are still going to win the election in 2023. So we continue to respect our judiciary, even though they are trying to desecrate the judiciary. But most importantly, we continue to respect our people. And I want to thank all of you who are here with us, and probably thousands and millions who will get to hear this message, that we have finally arrived at that point that they have been running away from. And I want to thank them also for restricting me to Abuja, because had they not done it, we would not have met and known most of you.
Yes, of course.
Had they not done it, there wouldn't have been Buhari must go.
Yes.
Had they not done it, there probably wouldn't have been an answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Baba.
We were the ones who started NSAS in Nigeria by going to the headquarters of the Nigeria Police Force. If they didn't restrict me to Abuja, I would not have been part of that history or epoch-making event in Nigeria. That's one of the best things that happened to this country, and one of the best things that happened to me. So I want to thank all of you who have always been here. Please let me just finish. I know who have always been with us, who have attended every court sessions we had. The trial itself has not ended. I think they are waiting for this ruling, but the trial's leg has already broken. Because apart from this judgment, we have two other judgments that declares the activities to be illegal. When the judge decides to call us and he's forced to stop the trial, every other thing associated with the trial will fall apart. That is very important for us. So you are aware, Buhari, Malami, and the rest of the jokers, that see yourself now. You see yourself.
You don't shift in one now.
So, one last thing we'll say before we start heading out is that the timetable for our campaign we have started immediately. Start organizing where you are for us to come and continue the campaign.
Possess the world. Possess the world.
It will be one of the most strenuous campaigns ever witnessed by this country. And let me tell you, they are going to lose in 2023.
Whether they like it or not.
They are going to lose so bad.
Whether they like it or not.
They are going to lose so bad, some of them may never recover from it.
I'm tired of walking with
And
I
I just want to say,
me, I don't tire.
Aluta.
Yes, so Sowore's appeal court on his bail variation has been granted. Sowore has been granted his freedom out of Abuja. Over 2 years now, Sowore has been restricted to Abuja, FCT.
We won!
Yeah, you can see the excitement. Sowore has been granted his freedom out of Abuja. Sowore can now travel across all states in Nigeria. You can see Sowore can now travel. Yes, you can see. The crowd is cheering. Everyone is excited. Sowore can now travel across the country.
2023, vote Sowore, vote right.
You see, everyone is excited. You can see everyone is excited. Sowore's freedom has been granted. Sowore can now travel across the country.
Let us walk to the gate.
Go and enter your car. Okay. the illegal bail condition that is restricted. It's a freedom day. It is a celebration day. This is worth celebrating.
It's not celebration.
You can see the excitement. Everyone is happy. Young people are happy. You can see the excitement. Young people are happy. You can see the excitement.
Federal government don't play. Federal government don't play.
You can see the excitement. People are happy. Young people are happy. Young people are happy. Freedom coming. Freedom is here. By struggle comes. You can see young people are excited. This is huge. This is a huge victory for the people. This is a huge victory for Nigerian people.
Michael,
Let me press this thing. Sir, what do you have to say?
we've spoken already, and they have been disgraced. Restriction to Abuja is lifted, so I'll see you guys anywhere soon, anytime soon, man. All right.
Wow, it's a huge victory for us today.